everybody, welcome to another episode of Eric and Risa's vlog. Today we are going to show you another recipe, a very easy recipe. And this is actually one of Ethan's favorites. It's like his comfort food. And I guess even Eric.
Yes.
It's very easy to cook. It only need few ingredients. But before I show you like how to cook this one, I would like to say thank you for everybody who's already subscribed to our channel, and also to those who is not subscribed yet. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and then tell us what else can you recommend us to vlog next time. So, anyways, I decided to make a video of this dish because and I actually this is a minced beef with soy sauce. So because when Eden is starting to go to school and stuff like that, I try to look at YouTube how like everybody cook their minced meat, and I don't really see a good I would say a good recipe about it, like a simple one that the kids can tolerate. It's healthy, but it's simple. So then I decided to make my own and to mix the ingredient just like that. And it turns out that it's one of our favorite now. It's one of my kids' favorite food, a comfort food, but a healthy comfort food. So let me show you the ingredients. Okay, so for this recipe, we need some spinach. So spinach because like you know how healthy spinach is, but you can also substitute it with like the broccoli florets. Cut it in a very small pieces because it's a comfort food, but it's also should be a healthy comfort food. So I already cut the spinach because if it's too long or whatever, the kids get choked. Then we need our beef. Today I'm going to have a company, so I'm gonna make a lot of it. You only need onion, but depend on you guys. Like sometimes I don't even put onion and it still tastes very good. A little bit of salt and a little bit of what's this again? Pepper, black pepper, crushed black pepper, and and soy sauce, and a little bit of oil just so it won't stick in the pan. So yeah, so that is the ingredients. So we got the spinach, and as I said, you can substitute it with broccoli, our minced beef, onion, salt, green, what's this again? Pepper, salt, soy sauce, and oil. Okay, so that is our ingredients. So let's go cooking. Okay, so I'm reheating the pan right now, and as I said, we just put like a little bit of a sprinkle of oil. So in this recipe, there is really no specific measurement or something like that. It's like you try it and then you see what works for you. And then right away, if the pan is hot, you put the minced beef. Okay, the reason behind I put the minced beef first because when you put something in it first, the beef becomes crumpled. And as for the experience, my kids doesn't like that. So you cook it first.
And the temperature is on high.
Yeah. So you cook it first. Okay. And then while this one is not fully cooked, you can put the onion. Just so then the taste of the onion is still go with your beef, but not overpowering it. So yeah, so that's the reason why I did not saute the onion first, because as I said, this is a recipe that I serve my kids when they're so cranky, when they're tired from school or from just during the day. They will really ask for it. Like they say, "Mama, can you cook the beef?" And then so yeah, like so the onion will still have this your beef will still have that onion taste, however it's not that strong. So you just cook it. So as you guys know, the beef cooks very, very fast. So you want to keep stirring it, because if you don't, then it becomes crumble. I guess the heat is depend on your stove. Our stove is a little bit old, so yeah. And oh my god, I wish you guys can taste it after, but you guys can try because it really tastes so good, so juicy. Okay, so now that the meat, babe, can you show it? Yeah. Now that the meat is like, I would say 75% cooked, we can put our spinach. And you can see I have lots of spinach because I'm trying the kids to eat a lot of spinach, and this is the best way that I can hide it. So because the spinach actually shrank so fast, like even this much of spinach after it was cooked, you don't even see that I put this much. So yeah, you can see it's almost done. It's a very, very quick, simple recipe, yet it's very, very healthy.
Oh, you
Just
put the onions already? Oh,
yeah. No, I didn't. We don't use garlic for this because this is for the kids.
So you mix the onions with the spinach.
Yeah, yeah. You mix it all here. There. Okay, so it's now somehow cooked. So now you put your a little bit of soy sauce and what is this again?
Ground pepper.
Ground pepper. We love ground pepper, so I have a tendency to put a lot of ground pepper. I think my kids got used to like eating a lot of ground pepper in my recipes. So this is good now. And then I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, just a tiny bit, because we already put a soy sauce, and you don't want it to get so like so salty. Just a tiny bit, really. Okay, and then that's it. It's done. This is done. Look how juicy it is. Babe, look, show the juice.
Yeah, it's very zoomed in.
It's very juicy and it's very tasty. Okay, so you don't wanna, with the beef, you don't really wanna cook it too much because it has a tendency to get dry. So this is done. This is the whole recipe. So I hope you guys like it, and I hope you try it, and let me know. Comment down below. See if like it's also taste like you made it good. Okay, thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay.